What's up, rockers? Welcome to day 2 of the ukerocks challenge. In the previous lesson, you mastered the fundamentals to start playing the ukulele and nailed Nirvana's Come As You Are. Today, we're diving deeper into technique. You'll be learning about hammer-ons and putting them into action with a fantastic riff by the Beatles. Having said that, let's start talking about hammer-ons. A hammer-on allows you to play a note without plucking it, simply by pressing down with one of your left hand fingers. Basically, you pluck once, but you get 2 notes, like this. This technique is used a lot in rock music as it allows you to play faster lines with less effort from the right hand. Plus, it adds a distinctive sound to your playing. Now, let's look at a simple exercise to develop this technique. It goes like this: 3, 4, Let's break it down. You start with the open string hammer onto fret 1, then fret 1 hammer onto 2, fret 2 hammer onto 3, and fret 3 hammer onto 4. Of course, play this over the other strings as well. And remember to keep your fingers on the fretboard like you learned in lesson 1. Needless to say, this exercise has to be done with the metronome. Remember, the note you pluck and the note you hammer on lasts the same. So it should be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Don't worry if at first the hammer-on is very quiet. That's normal. As the name of the technique suggests, the fingers of your left hand should be like hammers. It's time to apply what you've just learned to the main riff from Come Together by the Beatles. I'll teach you a super simple version that sounds like this: 3, 4. Okay, let's break it down. You start with fret number 2 twice, then 7 hammer on to 9, then 8, and then 9 with a slide. Let's put everything together. 3, 4. One more time. Very simple. Your assignment for today is to learn and record the riff from Come Together. In the challenge folder, you'll find the tabs for the exercise and the riff. As always, you also have a Guitar Pro audio file so that you can be totally sure of how the riff sounds. You can access this folder from my link in bio if you're watching on Instagram, or from the description if you're watching on YouTube. This is completely free. Remember to use the hashtag @ukerocks and mention me in your stories or posts. So don't forget to add @ukulelelovers1. By doing this, I can see your assignments and you'll have the chance to win one of the prizes, including the fantastic Kala solid body tenor ukulele. I will also reshare your work in my stories and give you some feedback. By the way, if you want to practice more hammer-ons and maybe learn about pull-offs as well, check out the tutorials for Iron Man by Black Sabbath or Scar Tissue by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. You can find the links for both in the description. Having said that, I'm looking forward to your assignments and I'll see you in 3 days with the 3rd lesson of this challenge. Ciao!